Okay, so these backfires are starting to become a bit too much. What I'm going to do in today's video is pull off the muffler and reinstall it to see if we can calm things down a bit. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been running this aftermarket exhaust for a little while now, and as much as I love the sound, I've been getting quite a few backfires lately, and I'm going to try and do something about it. It could just be part of the setup, but it might also be down to a loose connection or a poor seal. In this video, I'll remove the muffler, check everything over, and reinstall it properly to see if tightening things up makes any difference. I'll take you through the whole process step by step, and then we'll fire the bike up at the end to find out if it's helped reduce those pops and bangs. If you're thinking about doing a similar exhaust mod, or if you're troubleshooting your own setup, then stick around because this one should be pretty useful. Let's get into it. Okay, so the task here is to remove this bolt, take these springs off, take this piece off, remove the muffler, give it a clean, replace it, correct the fact that I put this on the wrong way when I first did it, and hopefully get a tight seal, and that will either reduce or eliminate the backfires that I've been getting. I don't have a huge tool set, so I'm using some basic tools and just making do with it. I think it might be best to try and take these springs off first.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try a slightly different approach. Interestingly, that just lined up much better. There's a seal here which these springs are pulling together, and they were a little bit on the squiff. As you look down, you could see that it wasn't quite straight all the way around. Just loosening this bolt off has straightened that up. So I'm going to keep going, but I'm going to bear that in mind when I put it back on. And you're going to really see how non-mechanical I am in this video, so be gentle in the comments. I believe it's just a case of getting on this, loosening it up, which loosens the ring, which then allows you to slip it off. Okay, so that's loose. That means that that pipe should technically just come off now. There we go. Now, now that I've done that, I actually don't think that there's any need to remove these springs. I think what I just need to do is give this a bit of a wipe, put it back on, and try to make sure that when I tighten everything, I don't lose the straight line here. By the way, if you're looking to get this exhaust off Amazon, it's the Laura Baba, but the paint is terrible. So I don't know if I would advise anyone to get this particular one, but it was in my price bracket. Pop that back round the correct way. Let's see if I can get this back on without too much drama. Better, much better than what it was. I really don't know if this is going to fix it, but don't particularly want to spend any money, so I'm going to try and do something that somebody suggested to me online on a forum, and we'll give this a go before we do anything else. Now I'm presuming that this being as tight as possible is what you're aiming for, because that should make the seal tighter, but let me know if I got that wrong. Right, I think that's it. So I've taken it off, given it a wipe. Obviously I haven't used any cleaning product. I haven't put any muffler seals on there or anything like that. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to look to see if I can get a silencer or something like that to reduce the airflow. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so for a first test, I think that's sounding pretty good. I do notice that it does sound different even on cold startup, so I'm hopeful that we might have made an improvement. Whether or not we've eliminated those pops entirely, that's yet to be seen. So I'm gonna go get kitted up and then we'll get on the road and we'll see how we get on. So just for the record, I never ride without safety gear. I am literally just going up and down the road. I've been in and out of my house about five times trying to get this set up, and I'm not doing it again. So now or never, but I don't endorse riding without a jacket. And I will never actually plan to go on a ride without a jacket. Okay, so the thing that I noticed there is it definitely sounds better, but it's not eliminated all of the pops and gurgles. I think what I'll do is I'll keep it as it is over the next couple of weeks, and if I decide to do any more tinkering, I'll make another video for that. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you at the next one. Peace.